Holy moly, Octa JBL hi-fi speakers on a tab? Are you kidding me? What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very interesting to show you people in this video. This is Lenovo's all new Tab Plus 2024 just launched in the Indian market for Amazon's Prime Day sale, and I'm telling you right, it packs like killer features. So main thing is this tab is specially designed for like entertainment purpose, media consumption, and features like 11.5 inches 2K resolution 90Hz display, and pair that with the special speakers on board. Sound is the main highlight. You're getting sound by JBL. Octa JBL hi-fi speakers, literally 8 JBL speakers on a tab, that too tuned for like a realistic Dolby ATMOS experience. Now you people might be like, this might be a little bit expensive because of the kind of features it's offering, but no, it's actually quite affordable and comes around 20k price segment. I'm like blown away. So that is the reason I'm like very excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. And before we get started, I'd like to thank Lenovo for sponsoring this video. Our brand new tablet from Lenovo came in this sort of packaging. The model is called as Lenovo Tab Plus, as I've told you, and is only available in single variant in the Indian market, which comes with 8 gigs of RAM and also 256 GB of onboard storage. See, as I've told you, a lot of people keep looking to buy tablets, especially for like media consumption, entertainment purpose, or maybe for your day-to-day activities like online classes and stuff like that, right? This might definitely pique your interest at a reasonable price point. At the backside, you've got all of its main specs and highlights. We'll definitely go through all of these once we get started with the unboxing. Quickly grabbing my knife, let me just cut this seal and tear the packaging, and as soon as you open it, there you go boys, this is the tab we've been waiting for, Lenovo's all new Tab Plus 2024. It comes in this beautiful Luna Grey color, which is basically like a dual tone metallic finish, and we'll talk about the design in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some accessories which include a 45 watt USB-C power adapter and also a Type-C to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Not to miss out, you're also getting some paperwork, user manual, just make sure to read that. So that was our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you a closer look at the product and first talk about the design and build quality. There you go, here's how Lenovo's all new Tab Plus looks like, and initial impressions, I have to say design actually looks quite premium for the price point. At the back profile, you're getting a dual tone metallic finish unibody design, and man, look at those curves over here. The whole lower portion is slightly elevated and has a curved body design. Main reason, as I've told you, the speakers on board are quite special. You're getting sound by JBL, Octa JBL hi-fi speakers, and the whole structure, the sound chamber, they're calling it as hi-fi matrix structure, and this is specially tuned for Dolby ATMOS experience. Anyways, overall look and feel is pretty nice. There's nothing over here, clean modern look. You just have the Lenovo logo at the top side, and if you talk about the build quality is also very nice. Body is like a mix between metal and plastic, but entire back panel looks like is made of metal only. There's nothing over here guys. On the bottom profile, you're also getting an integrated kickstand which you can easily open up like this, and as I've told you, it's mainly made for like entertainment media consumption, and you can even use it for like creative sort of applications, though you're not getting a pen included, but you can buy that pen accessory, stylus accessory, and anytime use it for like drawing, art purpose, and these sort of stuff. Last but not the least, you're also getting a rare 8 megapixel autofocus camera as well at the backside. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the front profile, right? On the front, the tab features a 11.5 inches 2K resolution, which is actually 2000 by 1200 IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, and not to miss out, you're actually getting a 15:9 aspect ratio. We'll talk about the display quality at a later part in the video. Look at the bezels as well, decent bezels, I would say, quite slim for this price point. And going to the top here, you're getting a front 8 megapixel camera as well, but fixed focus. What I'll do is I'll give you like a complete walk around and show you all the available connectivity ports and other stuff available on this model. Starting off with a power button, and below you see these vents and cutouts. All of these are your JBL speakers. You can definitely see that sound by JBL logo here looks quite premium, and just beside that you're also getting a 3.5mm headphone jack as well, that is also there. On the other side also you're getting a similar JBL speaker setup and a Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Going to the top side here, you're getting a volume rocker. Quality of the buttons is pretty decent, feels tactile and clicky, and followed by some microphones, primary and secondary mic, I believe. You also have a micro SD card slot available. Yes, the storage on board is also expandable using a micro SD up to 1 TB. On board you're getting like 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, and also pair that with like 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, and yes, storage is expandable using micro SD. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality. And if you ask about the comfort experience, I'll have to be honest, initially when I saw the tablet shape and structure, right, I thought it might be a bit uncomfortable holding it in the hand, but nothing like that. It's actually the opposite. Because of this slight curvature body on the lower half section, right, you're actually able to hold the tab very firmly in the hand and gives you a very comfortable comfortable experience, guys. So comfort wise, you'll be like quite satisfied. And if you ask about the thickness, tab is slightly a bit on the thicker side, especially on the lower profile. It's roughly around like 0.53 inches, I would say. And weight is also quite manageable, only around like 650 grams, so not an issue at all. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on and give you a closer look at the software experience. Lenovo's Tab Plus comes with Android 14 operating system out of the box and has a very clean OS, guys. No bloatware, no unnecessary apps, nothing like that. A very clean and stock Android experience. You just have like bare minimum Google apps installed over here. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the chipset, right? Tab Plus 2024 is powered by MediaTek's Helio G99, which is basically an octa-core chipset, and my day-to-day performance and experience has been pretty good. I mean, you people can see it in the video, right? The whole app openings, closings, and also app transitions, everything feel muska smooth over here, all thanks to that higher 90Hz refresh rate on the display. Day-to-day usage and software experience has been pretty good on this tab. If you're wondering about gaming, yes, the chipset is good enough for decent gaming as well. You can definitely play casual games like Asphalt 9 and even BGMI as well from low to medium graphics. Plus, the brand has also mentioned that the tab will be getting future OS upgrades and also frequent security patches as well. I know you people have been waiting for this part, right? So let me tell you about the display and speaker quality as well. First of all, on board you're getting 11.5 inches 2K resolution, which is actually 2000 into 1200 IPS LCD display with a max refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. And I'm telling you, right, I've been using this tab for the last couple of days, watched variety of content, videos on YouTube and also like movies, web series on Netflix, Prime Video and stuff like that, and I had like a really good experience for the price that you're paying. You're getting good amount of detail, everything looks crisp and clear, and text is also like very easily readable, guys. If you ask about the colors are also nice. It is producing good and natural looking colors, though not as accurate as 100% sRGB color gamut panels, because here you're only getting up to like 72% color gamut range, right? But still, for this price point, right, pretty decent experience. See, me being a tech reviewer, I see multiple displays and panels every day, right? So I can notice these little details, but for an average consumer, you won't even pick out these details, guys. You'll be like very happy and satisfied with the colors and detail you're getting over here. Contrast levels are also nice and decent amount of black levels as well. And coming to brightness of the panel is also pretty good. The panel can go almost up to like 380-400 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display in like bright situations as well. On the overall, now for the price that you're paying, you'll be definitely satisfied with the colors, the detail, basically the display quality. And one more thing I forgot to mention is the tab also has a special reading mode as well, which when enabled from the settings, right, it automatically dims the brightness and also reduces the colors a bit to give you that grayscale sort of tone, and basically gives you like an e-reader tab feel, which is great for all, you know, people who read a lot of magazines or maybe like books and stuff like that. Keeping the display quality aside, now let's talk about the sound quality. As I've told you at the beginning, sound is quite special over here. You're getting octa JBL hi-fi speakers, and the whole sound structure on the tab is only quite special. They're calling it as hi-fi matrix structure that is tuned especially for like a realistic Dolby ATMOS experience. So out of this 8 speakers, right, you're getting 4 tweeters and 4 force balanced woofer, which are housed in these 4 speaker boxes. You might not see 8 cutouts because all these 8 drivers are actually housed in a 4 speaker box unit, and the whole thing can produce around like 26 watts of stereo experience with Dolby ATMOS support. And I'm telling you, right, audio quality on this thing is like next level, guys. I've never seen a tab with this good audio quality for this price point. Like seriously, I'm not exaggerating. There was like excellent amount of detail, and all the vocals, instrumentals had like good separation with a wide frequency response range. If you ask about the mids, crisp and clear mids, all the dialogues were like easily audible and understandable, and treble was also like pretty good, guys. Onboard speakers are producing like silky smooth treble with minimum distortion and harshness. If you ask about the bass, you know, I never expected that a tab could actually produce like decent amount of bass. I mean, really, it has like solid low frequency response and had a warm sound profile. Overall, right, really rich and pleasant audio experience, guys. JBL definitely knows what they're doing.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know.
We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Tab Plus comes with a 8600 mAh lithium polymer battery, and battery life is also good. So if you're a moderate sort of user with a typical usage with the brightness set to around like 55-60%, right, and you're casually using it for like day-to-day experience, like checking out your mails or maybe like office related works and casually watching videos on YouTube and a bit of web series as well, right, you can easily expect around like 9 to 10 hours of battery life. But again, if you're like a heavy user and you're using it primarily for like watching movies with the audio output set to around like 85-90%, right, then obviously battery life would be a bit less. But not to worry, you're also getting like a 45-watt PD 3.0 charger included in the package, right, so that will quickly top up the battery. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up our video on Lenovo's all new Tab Plus 2024. It's an excellent tab, especially if you're looking for like media consumption and entertainment purpose. You're getting a really good 90Hz display and pair that with next level Octa JBL hi-fi speakers. Only thing if I had to nitpick is I wish there was a variant that even supported 4G LTE SIM card as well for native calling support. Apart from that, everything else is great. It costs around 22,999 rupees and will be available to buy in this Amazon Prime Day sale happening right now. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.